Hi techies, welcome back to Techie Help. Today we will discuss about part 2 of our Razorpay payment gateway part 2. Okay. In this series we will be cover our payment link. Okay. In this video we will be cover how you make a payment link and attach in your project, and also you use this link in your businesses. Okay. So in the previous video, I'll go through all the things how you can registered on our Razorpay and set up your account. Okay. So if you don't see the video, I'll give the link in I button. You go through this and first create an account and then move forward. Okay. So come on our Razorpay and okay. So first of all, go to our Razorpay and log in your account. Okay. For login the account, we'll be go through two-step verification. After that, we will be able to log in. Okay. Then we'll be come to our payment link. Okay, and then click on next. And after that, we'll be see a page where you read something like what make payment link great, about the payment link. Okay, then click on get started. Just a second. I'll just click on get started. Okay, here you can see the page of our payment link. Now we'll be create a new page. Okay, so first of all click on our create a new page. Okay, and wait some second. After that it will be redirect to a page where you give a two option. Pick a payment link type. So what you want to make. Okay, so it's a standard payment link where you create a classic payment link to collect payment from your customer in all payment method. Okay, that's mean we in this standard payment link we will be collect your money with our ATM cards, debit card, credit card, and all the UPI are covered in this standard payment link. And in the UPI payment link, collect UPI payment from your customer using UPI payment link without knowing their UPI BPA address. Okay, so we will be first create on our standard link. So click on that and you will be redirect to a standard page pop up. Okay, after that you will be choose your currency to collect your amount. So I'll choose our Indian currency and write down 5,000 and payment for write down payment description. So I'll write down this payment is collect for our internship. So in internship you will be collect only for hackathon. Okay, so I'll write this means I write only pay for hackathon registration. Okay, I'll write down. Okay, now write down your email and write down your phone. Then we'll be verify, and then if you have no difference ID, it's not very. Then will be you want to expire on any date, you will be at that. If you want to collect lifetime, will be not check out it. Okay, and then we'll be create a link. Just a second, I'll fill this and see this. Okay, so now I'll fill the details. Now if the in this customer details we add my email and my phone number. That will help me to receive the message when anyone pay the fees. I'll receive the message on my phone number and also in my email ID. Okay, so now no, I am not selected for expiry and want to collect money lifetime. Okay, now click on create payment link, and now it's created a payment link successfully. Okay, so now here you can see. So I'll click on that and I redirect this page. Okay, so this is our page. Okay, now I want to some settings. Just a second. Okay, so I have a link. I'll simply I want to change some settings. So just a second. I'll, okay, In this, okay, we have no any settings option. When I click on that, okay, so in the payment page link, means in payment link only, the most problem we face means if you want to use this payment link in your website, after user pay the your fees, it not redirect to your home page and other pages. Okay, so in the sense of businesses, this is not working. But if want to collect only money and not want to redirect anything, so this is sufficient. Okay, now I'll copy the link. Just a second, I'll copy the link. Okay, link URL, I'll copy the link and I'll open a new tab and paste it, and let's see what's happened. Okay, just a second. Okay, so razor payment link, oops, it's this page is unavailable currently. Okay, so what's problem? Just a second. I'll do that. Reminder, reference ID created, no expiries. Okay, this is our link. Notify, the payment link is enabled. Why it's giving an error? It's created a standard payment link and all the things. I'll just copy it and see the again. Why it's facing the error? Please check back later or contact the merchant for more details. Want to create a payment link for your business? Visit on define to get instant. Okay, why it's giving this error? I'll not understand. Just a second. Yeah, okay, so this payment link is not used in directly as in web. In this, if you just see this, if I click on anything else, here you can see a customer details. Okay, so if I means write down any payment, okay, and write the description, and when I add a customer details like email and phone number, okay, so after that, when will we create a payment link, it's send a mail and a message to the customer to pay the fees. Okay, so I'll see this. Here you can see. Just a second. Here you can see. Here you can see. Yes. Here you can see the payment link. Okay, now I'll open this open my email and see this, it's happening or not. Just a second. Okay, here you can see that two requests are coming from that. Okay, so when I click on that, it will say to pay the fees. Okay, if I click on show the image. Okay, so here you can see my organization logo and the payment request by Amit Kumar, and this is a payment link. Okay, and this is amount. When I'll click to proceed to pay, it redirect to a payment page where we can scan and other now pay using UPI and the credit card also. So let's see. Okay, so this is not working currently. Okay, so some issues happening, but this is the process to build a payment link and collect payment from your customer. Okay, I hope you understand. And in this after this tutorial, we'll be in the part 3. We'll be come to how to create a payment page and integrate in our project section and your business, and how you can redirect your payment page to your website. Okay, so please like, share and subscribe this video. and also press the bell icon for more updated videos. Okay, and stay updated with our channel for much such exciting updates and exciting content. Okay, thanks for watching.